Watch this. I'm gonna do something cool. Watch this. Dude, that was so sick. I love this game. It's awesome. Oh, dude, you want some of me? You want some? Huh? What's going on, boy? What's going on? Oh, your buddy wants some? Huh? You want some, buddy? I'll let you have some. There you go. Get you some of that. That's right. Back to your shiz, you dead mother trucker. Now let's have some fun with your car. Oh, my bad. Oops. Sorry. I didn't mean to run you over. Dang, this sucker's fast. Oh my gosh, did you see him splatter? Got him. Oh my god, watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh! Yo, what's up, my dead gamers? Welcome back. Welcome back. Today we're going to be playing GTA 5 Mobile Clone. MADOUT2. Tow Truck Fun. This game is pretty awesome. You guys got to check it out. Come play with me. I'm going to be playing a lot of this. We'll see y'all guys at the end of the video. Yo, what's up, my dead gamers? Go check out my boy's videos. The devil, as I call him. You see it right there in the bottom left hand corner. Go check out his videos. Make sure you subscribe and show him some love. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the video, so go check him out. Without further ado, let's get this game started. MADOUT2. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to run some people over. How about you?
I just like the sound of it.
What the heck? FBI? What is he doing, dude? Wait, is that an FBI agent getting in a car with a hooker? No, dude, serious? Splat? Dang, bro, you hit me with your car. Yo, what's up with that? You want a beef? Huh? Oh, you call your boy, huh? I see what's going on here. Hold on, I got something for y'all guys. Right here, check this out. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Dang, that was so cold. Oh, another homeboy. Want a beef. Get out the car, buddy. Get out the car. Get out the car now. Oh, your homeboy wants some, huh? All right, no problem. I got you, buddy. Let me take care of you right here. He said he liked it when I sprayed him in the face. I took your whip. Now it's time to cause some trouble. Splat. Let's keep this party moving. See what kind of trouble I can get into. Oh, they're gonna be mad at me.
I just like the sound of it.
Oh, snap. Did you see that shiz? I took his head off. Alright, let's get this party started. This is where the fun happens. Got one. Ready for another. You know, they should call this game Splatter, not MADOUT2, because that's all I'm doing on this game. Alright, that's it. It's time to spray. Let me get my guns out, and I'm ready to kill. Who's gonna be my victim, I wonder? You, yeah, you ready to do it? Who's next? Now I truly see why they call this game Mad Out. This is pure chaos. Nothing but shootouts and running over people and all that fun stuff. Oh, wait, got him. Oh, snap. Well, I'm gonna have to get a revenge killing for that. How about you? Yep, sorry, you gotta die. Time for some tow truck murder. Boost, don't fail me now. Yes, it's getting the job done. Oh, I'm sorry I splattered you. I'm gonna have to say, guys, this game gets the job done. I really like this game. If you like GTA 5 online and you want to play it on mobile, this is as good as it gets. Check out this bad whip right here and what I do with it. Well, looks like all I'm gonna do is crash the dang thing. Let me just grab a little nos here and let's get this party started. Oh, splatterproof, huh? Not for long. Oh. Alright guys, check out the rest of this video. Smash that like button while you at it. All right, my dead gamers. You know what to do. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe if you're new. And leave a comment and let me know what you think about the video. And MADOUT2. Also, go check out my boy Devil's videos and his channel. And subscribe also. We'll see y'all guys next time. And Orochimaru's out of here.